mean, just so like as an example, one thing that I think about a lot in terms of possible blockchain applications is electricity, right? The next generation of distributed smart grid technology, effectively.
Sure, and people are working on that already.
Yeah, exactly. And it's this very fruitful area of research, and you can find yourself looking like 20 years out, right, where you have an enormous number like of electric cars. You have all of these batteries. Like that's essentially a distributed peak load power grid, right? Like the cars are getting plugged in and unplugged at different times. If you have a mechanism that is able to automatically and autonomously be distributing power based on batteries that are scattered throughout the grid, that are being used for other purposes. Their owners don't even necessarily need to be aware. You begin to have something that looks like a much more viable society that still has a lot of electricity needs, but is able to base that much more on renewables, is able to make up the difference during peak load periods or during differences in weather, that is able to have power much closer to where it's needed rather than having to be distributed over great distances. Like, that's something that would be an enormously hard problem to solve. And it's not that the blockchain makes it easy, but it makes it possible.
A lot of people are seeing blockchain in the news and maybe seeing a lot of sort of initial coin offerings, this sort of monetization opportunity around blockchain, and are getting very excited about it.